Hello everyone. It's been a very long time that we've talked about animals and we have educated each other about some strange animals. So I have come back today and I've said sorry to all our fans and lovers everywhere. So we are talking about the most mysterious bird, one of the mysterious bird. Its name is called Hoatzin bird. Hoatzin bird. It is called Hoatzin bird. The Hoatzin bird is one of the strangest and most fascinating birds on earth. No, here are some mind-blowing facts about the Hoatzin bird. You can also call it stink bird. Number one, it looks like a prehistoric dinosaur because of how it looks. It's a very mysterious bird. It's very, very mysterious. The Hoatzin has a blue face. It has a red eyes and a spiky mohawk-like crest. Its cheeks have claws on their wings, similar to ancient birds like Archaeopteryx. It also smells terribly. It has a terrible smell. It has a very, very terrible smell. And most of the times, we even nickname this bird stink bird, as I've said earlier, because it smell like manure or rotten leaves. That's how it smells. It has an offensive odor, which is the second reason why it is mysterious. We are saying the second part of its mysterious nature. That is, and the stinkiness is caused by its unusual digestion process. Unusual digestion process. It has a cow-like digestive system. It is the only bird that uses fagot fermentation. That is, like ruminant animals, like cows and other ruminants. It has an enlarged crop. So its crop is very large that breaks down leafy plants using bacteria. And this breaking down of its digestive system causes bad smell, because if you take it, it smells bad, and it is the only bird that eats leaf. It is folivore. It eats leaves. Its only meal is based on leaves, which is very unusual. These are the little things we can educate ourselves about this mysterious bird. And lest I forget, it can't really fly. It has a poor fly. So they are poor flyers. So watch out for another mysterious animal that we educate ourselves about. So thank you for watching these contents, and don't forget to follow us, subscribe to our channel, and so on like that. Thank you.